Okay, the next question, what is the difference between getting a testosterone at a clinic like Silk Medical Spa versus just getting testosterone from my buddy at the gym who has some extra testosterone? Well, in one word, it's danger. I mean, it is very risky getting any kind of medication, much less testosterone, from a friend, especially who isn't a medical professional, or somebody at the gym. Because a lot of times, if it is testosterone, it's synthetic, which means it's going to have more negative side effects than bioidentical testosterone, or it's an anabolic steroid, which is going to wreak havoc on your hormones. I mean, I have a lot of men who come to my clinic, around age in their 30s or 40s, who used anabolic steroids when they were younger, and now they have almost no testosterone. And why does that happen? It trains your body to stop producing your own testosterone. I know. So it ends up in the long run having the opposite effect that you want. In the short term, it can really synthetically cause you to have huge muscles or whatever you're going for, but in long term it's extremely unhealthy and going to cause you to have extremely low testosterone, so not worth it. So if you come to a clinic that specializes in hormone therapy like Silk Medical Spa, you're going to get detailed blood work done, and you're going to keep up with that blood work. A lot of men, need certain things besides just testosterone. Number one, they could have, or usually do, have more than just one hormonal imbalance. So if you have low testosterone, you may also have low DHEA and pregnenolone. You may have a cortisol imbalance, and these all contribute to your overall health, and just treating one of them is not smart. And it also, monitoring your blood work prevents any negative side effects. So like we mentioned previously, testosterone can convert into estrogen, which is the female hormone, or it can convert into DHT, which is good in small amounts, but too much can cause you to have hair loss and acne. So you want to make sure someone's monitoring you and making sure those things aren't happening. In young men, testosterone replacement, especially synthetic, can shut down your body's natural production. And if you're going through a clinic, we have options to keep your body producing its own testosterone. For some men, when they shut down their natural production of testosterone, they can have testicular atrophy, that means shrinking of their testicles, or they can get bad testicular pain. And in some men, this stops them from doing testosterone altogether, but that's not necessary. There are very easy solutions if done the right way. This was just one of the frequently asked questions about male bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. So please go to my YouTube channel to see the video in its entirety. Bye!